Well, it's another wet day out here today. I'm warming up Elon. We had rain last night and this morning. Not a lot, but it's enough to, I don't know if you can see it, everything's puddled, and all the earth that I moved recently is just well, it will end up being like a sinkhole working here. So I think I'm at least going to try and get a couple of trees transplanted, despite how bad, how frustrating it will be. But I think that would be the thing to do. Fired up Elon, warming him up. Have to keep cleaning out the tracks. You just keep getting jam-packed with mud, and that is very frustrating. But the butternut is still standing, and it's still a big mess around here. And the rest of this week looks like it's going to rain every day, and then we got freezing temperatures. So it's time to just get done what I can get done, and accept that I'll have a big mess to deal with in the spring. So we'll see what I can get done. Well, I've just finished what I can accomplish today. Boy, is it muddy. I keep cleaning things up, like, I don't know, you probably can't even see the amount of mud on the surface in the water, but I keep trying to drain the water off. But as I'm driving through this area, the equipment sinks down in the material here, and so every time I plant a tree, I've got to backfill each one of the spots just to get to the location. So I got, oh, let's see, so this is a red delicious apple here. There will be a pawpaw there. I think this is one of the Cox crosses here. I really do like these. I just got this one transplanted. This one was leaned way over. It was over there in the second food forest on the big mound. This is a Ben Davis apple here. I've got to do some pruning here. Persimmons. Can't remember this apple right now. Another apple there. Another red bud. And what else did I transplant over here? I transplanted, oh, so I transplanted that small plum there as well. So it's coming. But boy, it's tough when you keep sinking in and then you have to fill in the voids. Go back and forth hauling more material and all. And now that I stand here, I can see this is a little bit higher than right here, so I have to do some more fill in this area. But I have taken a couple of honey locusts and brought them down not too far from Pond 3. Some of the areas I was working down there. I don't know, probably it's too far away to see what I did. I started smoothing out some of the area where I took all the trees out over there on the other side of that swale. I'll walk over there a little ways. Oh. So I can't walk much further here because I'll sink in all of this stuff. But on the other side of the swale there, I was able to smooth a lot of that material out after digging out a lot of the trees. I have a couple more trees to transplant over here from over there. And I may put a couple of them right in here. Maybe one more there, and then I've got to work on service berries, getting some service berries over here. Then I have a bunch of spots. All the little flags are spots for the pawpaws. And I guess that's about it. It's been a full day, kind of crazy. It's warm. It's going to get real cold here, but I'm real happy that I got these trees transplanted okay. They're actually pretty good sized trees. So thumbs up if things actually survive. I think most of them will survive. I'm expecting at least an 85% success rate. The pawpaws, we'll see how they do. Those are root suckers, so we'll see how they end up doing. But I got to fill in some more voids over there before I can get the pawpaws in the ground. But we're making progress. So that's it for today's video. Thanks so much for tuning in. Thanks so much for your comments and your thumbs up. We really appreciate that a lot. Thanks so much. Take good care of yourselves and stay safe. Bye-bye now.